Welcome to TAC Tips. This series showcases different tips and tricks to help improve your Chromebook experience, presented by the Technology Assistance Center interns. Today's TAC tip shows different ways to customize the shelf on your Chromebook. Your Chromebook shelf is the bar at the bottom of your screen that holds your apps. Being able to customize where your shelf is and when it shows up can help you feel more organized when using your Chromebook. In order to access your shelf customization, you first need to tap the shelf with 2 fingers. After this, you can click to turn on Auto Hide Shelf, which will hide the shelf whenever your mouse is not hovering over it. From here, you can then see the option to change shelf position from the bottom to either the left or right. This also allows access for more options of Chromebook customization. Thanks for watching. Keep your eyes up for more TAC tips from your TAC crew.